Hello everybody, how are you all? And good day and good evening and good afternoon for all about the TRON fans. Guys, don't forget to subscribe my new channel and let us put this channel to all earn, and daily I will put in new videos to earn and talking about the Matrix smart contract. Guys, today I come with a different project which is called All for 10. This All for 10, as I said before, on the first day on my review, I will post another review to let you know about it more and how this works. Okay? Now let's go to the dashboard and I will explain to you everything and why this single matrix is very nice and very affordable, and it costs only 10 TRON for registration. See here, this is my dashboard, okay guys, and don't forget my upline is 6, so I have the earlier ID you ever seen. See here on my dashboard, okay, see, it has 8 levels, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay, these 8 levels will cost 80 TRON, okay. Now for the first level, see how much here I have 8 direct and the total is 17, so 17 minus 8, so I have 9 spillover. And see in my next level also I have 5 who upgrade from level 1 and I have 12 spillover, same as here. See, all the blue one is spillover, means when your direct referral also refer, you will earn from him 2 or 3 spillover. So don't worry about inviting only one direct, because if you invite one, maybe he will let you hundreds of TRONs. See here, I have only 8 direct in a whole dashboard, and see my earning. I earn only 285 from those 8. So, and it will cost 10 TRON only. So everyone can accumulate a TRON and everyone can earn. And see, here the purple colors is overtaking. What is overtaking? Overtaking is when spillover upgrade before his direct refer, so it will go, the profit will go for the one who upgrade. So I will get this the profit as I upgraded before everyone else, and I am on level 7. It doesn't matter if I have 7 or 8 because all the matrix on level 8, and all the matrix will cost only, if you want to upgrade, 80 TRON. So no worry, from 80 TRON, okay, I earned 285. So what do you think about that? And you can start by only first level or second level or third level. So it's very affordable matrix that you can earn unlimited TRONs. But what is the earning of this matrix? The earning is 50% of everyone will join you. For example, the first level and the registration costs 10 TRON. So everyone will join you, will get 5 TRONs. So those 5 TRON, if you calculate on these 12, okay, so 5 times 12, so you will earn 120 per level, okay, so which is very nice matrix. Why I love single matrix, guys? Because single matrix, it will work only from your hard work, but double matrix will go, payments will go for your upline. Maybe your upline is doing nothing, but he is just watching how he is earning, and you work for him. But the single matrix is very different, and I will talk about this project later when I upload more videos about a smart contract and about matrix. Okay guys, so join now. This is a new, and you can earn unlimited TRON from it and start earning. Goodbye for now, guys, and as I said always, don't forget my Facebook group, and don't forget my YouTube channel, and subscribe and press the bell to get a new videos daily. So goodbye guys, and everything I will put in the description below, no need to worry. Okay, bye.